Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we will be solving config editor Android RCE challenge. Here vulnerability is inside a third party library. I have downloaded the application. Let's check code of the application. Let's check Android manifest. It is taking read external storage and write external storage permission. Main activity, which is a launcher activity and which is expecting a YAML data. Let's see this launcher activity. In this launcher activity, to handle this YML file, it has imported these two imports, and these are from YML snake YML library. Let's see the application. I have installed it here. So it is giving two options to load and save file. In this case, it is a YML file. Here is a load YML and save YML. So both of these functions are calling functions from YML library, snake YML library, which is included here. It is snake YML. I've searched it on the internet and I got this blog, and this is about the CVE 2022-1471. So what is this one vulnerability? It is a vulnerability in a Java code, and it allows arbitrary code execution due to flaw in a constructor class. This class does not restrict which type of can be deserialized, and that allows an attacker to provide malicious YML file for deserialization. Here they have given an example. This is a code, and that can be executed with this file content. When we add this file content in a YML file, it will get executed. It will execute this code. So similar way we have to exploit this vulnerability. And there is one class which is executing commands in the legacy command util, which is executing system commands here. So we have to trigger this and we will achieve RCE. For that we will create one file, YAML file, which will have this code, and after loading it will execute whatever commands we want. We'll create it in a download folder, and here we will give our code. Let's create one file inside our working directory in a app directory. Let's see if it works or not. First, let's check our application folder. Okay, now I will load YML file which I have created just now. No, it is not showing code. Let me let me check again. Yeah, space there. Let me copy this. Now it should have created file. Should have executed the command which we have added in. Here it is. Yeah. So we have successfully exploited the vulnerability in this third-party library. That's all. Thank you.